Welcome to another exciting video about stair building. And in this one here, I'm going to be providing a little criticism, hopefully constructive, about building stairs with concrete blocks and then filling the blocks up with gravel. Not 100% sold on this is going to be the best idea for an exterior stairway. And a lot of the problems from that will arise from the blocks moving over time. And some of that will be a bigger problem if you're dealing with uncompacted fill for the soil. So let's just say that you were digging out the stairway and you kind of dig something like this. Maybe you dig something and then it kind of comes down like this and back up. And then you backfill this area up with uncompacted fill or soil. Now, if you're using the right fill, great. If you're not, then you can end up with a bigger problem than you think. So I'm just going to go with that as the biggest problem you're going to have. There is no way to stabilize the blocks like this. You know, maybe you could fill it with concrete underneath it, or fill the blocks up with concrete instead of gravel. That might be one way. And I'm not promoting this. It's an easy idea. I got it. An easy way to build stairs, but I don't think it's going to be going to serve you in the long run. So fill in these cells up with gravel. Just give you an idea. These could actually sink into the soil also, and not a big deal. You just bring some more gravel in and fill the cells up. That wouldn't be that big of a deal if you have that. The blocks, on the other hand, sinking into the soil and ending up looking like this over time isn't going to be a nice stairway to walk up and down. And some stairways that you come to and you have a little variation, 1/4 of an inch, you step on that and your foot's off just a little bit, kind of off centers you, gets you off balance. Sometimes that could be enough to fall down a stairway. And, at least on a stairway like this on the outside, you're not going to fall. If you fall to the right or the left, not going to be too big of a deal. Falling down a stairway and rolling down the stairway is going to be totally different. And again, a set of stairs should be easy to use and shouldn't have any variations in it at all, from the gravel sinking or the blocks moving from right to left. So something like this, yeah, you could still walk up and down it. But again, I wouldn't personally do without using some type of a compacted fill material like gravel underneath it, or even concrete. And here I stepped it down. You might actually need to run concrete at an angle all the way up and then fill the bottom with concrete with more concrete, or shape it somehow. And again, I'm not promoting this type of construction for a set of stairs, but am providing you with a few more things to consider if you are going to build something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it here. But feel free to share any thoughts on it if you built anything like this in the past, or if you watch this video, it inspires you to build something. Let us know how it worked out in the future. So another thing that I need to point out you can do with the concrete blocks is lower them into the ground. So you can see here where this one right here is even with the point, but you could take this one here and lower it 1 inch if you needed to. And the reason why I'm saying that is you might want to put something on top of the blocks, maybe even pour a concrete tread, something about 2 or 3 inches thick, on top of each one of these, or use some brick or something to make a better surface than something like this. So, can you build something like this and have it work? I think you can, as long as you have a flat, something on the top, not gravel, something solid on the top. Like I said, some concrete or bricks, or maybe even pavers might work well also. So have some type of a fill underneath that isn't going to be allowing the blocks to move, or at least move that much. And then, of course, a flat surface on the top for the to create a nice smooth step to walk up and down the stairway instead of some loose gravel.